Do you want to add 2 extra hours to your day? It's not magic, it's AI. Let's find out how to do it. Stick with me and I will not only explain what AI personal assistants are and how they can literally give you back hours every day, but I will also reveal 2 incredible tools that you can start using immediately directly from your PC or even your smartphone. Welcome back to NegAIM, the channel where technology and AI meets personal growth. Like many of you, I constantly strive to make the most out of my day using different time management techniques. From the Pomodoro method to the 80-20 method to using the Eisenhower matrix for prioritizing, there are tons of methods I am trying to use in order to work smarter and not harder. With AI coming into the picture almost 1 year ago when ChatGPT was released, time management has changed forever. Today, I'm going to explain to everyone watching how using AI chatbots or personal assistants can help you maximize your day and get up to 2 hours extra every day, time that you could spend on different tasks or decisions. We will delve into how AI can streamline your schedule, do your research, and in general, be your digital PA 24/7. Before we get into it, if you like this type of content and you are addicted to keep improving yourself and you are also interested in technology, make sure to like and subscribe for more valuable content. So, if you are ready to transform your days with AI, let's get right into it. For those that are not tech savvy, what are AI assistants exactly? So imagine you have a PA. You text your PA with a simple request to find a slot in your calendar for your next meeting or appointment. Your PA then checks your schedule and comes back with some options, usually within hours and sometimes within minutes. Well, AI bots can do that within seconds. They can provide you the most efficient and productive slots based on your schedule. Since they have been trained on millions of scenarios, they can analyze everything and help you in the right way. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI actually give me back time each day? So, according to recent findings from HRD, employees save an average of 1 hour and 45 minutes daily by using AI for tasks like customer support and email management. But the benefits extend beyond work. Imagine gaining relationship insights, motivational boosts, or decision-making support from artificial intelligence, saving you time spent on personal dilemmas, planning dates, or choosing a workout. With AI, you can reclaim not just minutes, but quality moments from your day. First up, Poe. Poe is not just an AI chatbot. Poe is like an AI hub, connecting you to multiple AI chatbots at the same time. Poe stands for Platform for Open Exploration. What does that mean for you? It means that no matter what you need, Poe will have a bot that is trained just for it. So if you want someone to help you with cooking, Poe will have a bot for it. If you want someone to help you make a decision, Poe will help you analyze the pros and cons of each option you have, and then you can make a decision. So let's try it out, shall we? As you can see, this is the homepage of Poe. As you can see, I created my account. I don't have any bots or posts, or I'm not following any bots because I just made the account. You can see that there are different official bots and popular bots that people are currently using. We have General Assistant, GPT, and if we go here, you will see that you have Claude. So all these are bots and AI platforms that you can use as a standalone resource. Like they have their own web page, but from Poe you can use them directly. It's like a hub, as we explained earlier. So you don't need to go to different places. You can click on Claude and you will be able to talk to Claude. Now, it's a free application, but if you would like to subscribe, you get more benefits and there is no limit on messages. Where on the free subscription, you have a limit. So as you can see, it's around 20 euros per month. If you pay annually, it comes down, you save like 2 euros every month. You can see about the iOS and the Android app. If you are on the go, you can use Poe directly from your smartphone. So let's explore a bit on what different categories and different bots there are. And we'll also show in a bit how to create your own bot. So as you can see, we have different categories like funny, role play, featured, but we are going to test cooking. So as you can see, we have Grandma GPT and 10,000 people are currently using Grandma GPT on a monthly basis. Let's start a chat with Grandma GPT and see what she says. Just keeping busy with my little old lady activities. I've been knitting up a store and tending to my garden. But enough about me, sweetheart. How have you been? Is there anything exciting happening in your life? So let's ask Grandma to make us, to give us a recipe for dinner tonight, right? Shall we? Oh, failed to send. Let's retry. So Grandma is asking us what are we in the mood for? Do we need something like chicken soup or a classic meatloaf? I don't really like meatloaf, so let's go with chicken soup. See how structured the recipe will be. Oh, nice. So as you can see, if you ask if you ask ChatGPT, the response would be much different, right? It wouldn't be in this form. So this is a very structured way. So you can see that this bot was created specifically for cooking. So now let's go and create our own bot, shall we? You can edit your own picture on your chatbot, but for now we are not going to do this. We're going to change the handle of our chatbot. This will be the name of our bot. So we want to create a bot that will provide the user with different YouTube titles for their videos. You can create your base bot. This is the database of your AI, so you can use DALL-E, you can use Stable Diffusion. Some of these, like GPT-4, is limited for non-subscribers. So since we are not subscribed, we are going to go with the ChatGPT, which is basically the default 3.5 version of GPT. This is the description of our prompt, right? So we need to be very precise when we are providing a prompt for our chatbot. So what we are saying is that you are an expert social media influencer. So a social media influencer and YouTuber would know how YouTube works, how the title should be structured, right? So you will be providing titles for YouTube based on your expertise. So now let's ask it to follow specific guidelines when the chatbot is generating the different titles for YouTube. So number one, titles should not exceed 70 characters. This is the best practice from what I've been reading about titles, because if you have a smaller screen, the title will be cut. We don't want that, right? We want the audience and everyone who is searching in YouTube to be able to see the title. Number two, the title should create curiosity among the audience. So if you see the title, you should be curious to click on it, right? Then number three, the title of the video should be provoking, but at the same time, it should provide value, right? So you don't want a provoking, attention grabber title where you click on and then you get no value. And number four, the title should not be clickbait. I hate it when I see a title that I want to click on. I want to get to the bottom of that video and get the value, that the title is promising me, but when I click on it, I see the video is anything else than the title, right? So let's move on. Here you have a knowledge base. So the knowledge base is where you can upload to your bot any specific expertise that you want it to have when providing you an answer. So if you have a PDF, for example, that explains the whole YouTube algorithm, 500 pages, you can just upload it here and provide expertise to your bot. But for the sake of time, we're not gonna do this, and I do not have a YouTube PDF that explains the whole algorithm. So greeting message, let's say, hi, I'm Poe AI/PI chatbot for your YouTube channels. How can I help? Let's see some advanced settings, suggest replies. We don't want to do that. Render markdown content. I would leave it as default. And then custom temperature. This is a more advanced setting. If you are new to AI, I wouldn't suggest that. So temperature is basically, if you increase the temperature from the default, your bot will think out of the box, but at the same time, you might get inconsistent responses from your bot, right? So if you are new to AI, I would leave it in the default setting of 0.70. Okay, let's move on. We're not gonna provide a bot profile or a bio, because at this time we will not make it publicly accessible. This is just a testing, just to show you, right? So let's test it out. Hi, I'm Poe AI/PI chatbot for your YouTube titles. How can I help? I would like a catchy YouTube title for my video that is related to AI chatbots and how to use them. Let's see what it gives us. Mastering AI chatbots, unleashing the power for ultimate productivity. So I like that title. It makes me curious to see what it means on how AI chatbots can unleash their power and provide and make me more productive, right? And there you have it. This is how Poe looks, and this is how you can create your own chatbot with Poe. So let's move on to our next chatbot, which is PI.aI, and it's a free chatbot which can be your personal AI bot. Alright, so let's switch gears and talk about Pi. Pi is an app that promises to be useful and fun. So let's check how Pi works. So this is a Pi interface when you first go to Pi.aI. As you can see, Pi provides a sneak peek on some of the stuff that you can do, like learning something new, make a plan about something, brainstorm different ideas, or just vent to your personal assistant. That's right, Pi can be your personal therapist. And it has a voice, 6 of them actually, which I will show you how you can select them as we go on. After pressing next, you have two options, either to sign up or just talk to Pi. Pi is free to use and you do not need to sign up. But if you need your personal AI to keep a history of your discussions and consider that history when it's talking to you, I suggest you sign up. For now, let's go with just talking to it.
Hey there, great to meet you. I'm Pi, your personal AI. My goal is to be useful, friendly, and fun. Ask me for advice, for answers, or let's talk about whatever's on your mind. How can I help?
I actually have no idea what to ask. The weather is not good today, so let me ask about some options on how to spend my day. So Pi comes back with different options, and it also verbally tells you the options that you have. Okay, so let's move on and check what else Pi is specialized in. If you click on the Discover on the top left side, you will see all the categories Pi can help you with. So let's choose another category and test it out. Let's weigh the pros and cons of a specific dilemma. Do I go to a party I have tonight, or do I stay home and finish this video? At the end of the day, I stayed home and finished the video, but let's see what Pi had to say on the pros and cons. So the decision is ultimately up to me. I knew that. All in all, Pi has a very simple interface, and you can go to your profile tab to create an account or change the voice settings. So what's the big takeaway? Personal AI, like Pi, isn't just a trend. It's a glimpse into our future, where AIs like Pi and Poe will be as common as smartphones. They will be our go-to for advice and answers right through our Apple Vision Pro headsets or whatever tech is coming next. The future is looking smart and it's personal. So let's summarize. With Poe, you've seen how you can dive into conversations with different AI bots and even create your own custom bot for whatever piques our interest. It's a playground for those who love to explore and learn. And then there's Pi, your personal AI assistant. Pi is all about tailoring to your life, helping with advices, planning, and just being there for a chat. Both these platforms shows us how AI is becoming a bigger part of our daily lives. Whether it's for learning, managing tasks, or just satisfying our curiosity, AI tools like Poe and Pi are here to make things easier, more fun, and definitely more interesting. Now, it's important to understand that while Poe and Pi are powerful tools, they do have their limitations. They are not perfect, and sometimes they might not get things exactly right. But the beauty of AI is that it's constantly learning and improving, and it's something new. The real value of these AI tools lies in how they free up our time. By taking care of routine tasks, answering questions, or helping us organize our thoughts, they give us more time to spend on what truly matters, like being with our family and friends, pursuing our passions, or just enjoying a moment of. So while these AI assistants might not replace human interaction, they will certainly make it easier for us to enjoy more of it. So what do you think? Are you excited to try out these AI tools? Do you see them fitting into your routine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on how to use AI to improve your life. I'll see you all in the next video.